Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, as you know, we are reading one of the topics of your English book, that is The Lost Leaf, a short story written by O. Henry. Up to that, we came to know that there are two characters, main characters, Sui and Johnsy. Johnsy is lying in her bed. She is looking through the window and is pointing towards an ivy creeper, and she has made her mind that the leaves of this ivy creeper are falling very fast, and there is only one leaf left on it, hanging on it, and when this leaf will fall, he will automatically die at that particular moment. Her friend Sui, she tried to persuade him that this is not the matter, you would not die, you have to live for your friends. And after some time he went downstairs and narrated this whole incident to one of the person. His name is Behram, and now we will see what Behram is doing for her. I will come with you and see Johnsy, Behram said. Behram told Sui that he will come with Johnsy to see Sui himself. They tiptoed into the room of Johnsy was sleeping. They walked on their toes and went into the room of the Johnsy. The Johnsy was sleeping there. Sui drew the curtains together and they went to the next room. Now Sui he drew the curtains together. उसने पर्दे हटाए एक साथ में, and they went to the next room, and after that they went to the next room. वो दूसरे कमरे में चले गए. She peeped out through the window, and Johnsy there. She peeped out means she was looking through the window. Peeped out means छुप कर देखना. There was only one leaf on the creeper, and she saw that one leaf is hanging on the creeper. It was raining heavily and an icy cold wind was blowing. Icy cold wind was blowing. It was raining cats and dogs. It was raining very heavily. बहुत तेजी से बारिश हो रही थी, and the wind was blowing very fast. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now, and it was presumed that this last leaf which is hanging on the ivy creeper, that would fall in a minute. Behram did not say a word, but Behram, he don't say a word, he don't utter a word, he don't say a word there. He went back to his room, and after that he went back to his, बाद में उसने कुछ नहीं बोला और वो अपने कमरे में चला गया. Johnsy woke up next morning. Johnsy woke up means he raise up, he wake up, बेदार हो गया next morning सुबह. In a feeble voice she asked Sui to draw the curtain. In a very low voice, feeble voice means very low voice. Johnsy in a very low voice asked Sui, her friend, to draw the curtain. Please draw this curtain. Sui was nervous. Sui at that time was nervous. Why he was nervous? Because he was thinking that he might have thought that the lost leaf which is still hanging on the tree, they might have the leaf might have fallen and she would die. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly. She draw back this curtain very unwillingly. Reluctantly means unwillingly. Oh, Sui exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. When she looked at the vine creeper, she exclaimed, "Oh, look, there is still one leaf on the creeper." He is telling her friend that still one leaf is hanging on the creeper. It looks quite green and healthy. The leaf is looking very much quiet and healthy. It's a very green. In spite of the storm and the fierce winds, it didn't fall. Though the wind was blowing very fast, there was a violent storm and the fierce winds and very violent winds were blowing. It didn't fall, and this leaf has not fallen yet. I heard the wind last night. I heard the wind last night. मैंने कल शाम को ये आंधी की आवाज़ें सुनी थी. Said जॉन्सी ने बोला कि मैंने कल वो आंधी की आवाज़ सुनी थी. I thought it would have fallen, and he thought that the leaf might have fallen. वो गिर चुका होगा. It will surely fall today, then I will die. And this leaf will surely, very certainly fall today, and he will die at that particular moment. You won't die, said Sui energetically. Sui told her very strongly, very boldly that, hey my dear Sui friend, you will not die. You won't die. अब नहीं मर जाओगे. You have to live for your friends. Because you have to live for your friends. आपको अपने दोस्तों के लिए जिंदा रहना पड़ेगा. It will surely, yes. What would happen to me if you die? And do you think, do you have thought that what would happen to him if you will die? अगर आप मर जाओगे तो उसको क्या हो जाएगा? It seemed Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. Johnsy, who was still on the bed, who was ailing, he smiled weakly. बहुत कमजोरी से, बहुत आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उसने स्माइल किया and he closed her eyes. और फिर अपनी आंखों को बंद किया. After every hour or so, she would look out of the window. Just after an hour, she was looking out of the window and find the lost leaf, and he find the lost leaf still hanging there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper, and it seemed that this lost leaf, this leaf is clinging to the creeper. जैसे चढ़ रहा है, नया चढ़ रहा है इसके ऊपर. In the evening there was another storm. What happened in the evening? शाम को एक और तूफान आ गया. There was another storm, but the leaf did not fall. But the leaf didn't fall. Johnsy lay for a long time, and Johnsy lay on the bed for a long time, looking at the leaf. As she was looking at the leaf, वो खाली पत्ते की तरफ जा रही कि ये पत्ता अभी गिरेगा तो मुझे अभी मरना है. Then she called out to Sui. Now after that she called out to Sui. उसके बाद उसने सुई को बुलाया. I have been a bad girl. मैं तो एक बुरी लड़की हूँ. You have looked after me. You have take care of me. Look after means take care. आपने मेरी देखभाल की. Look after means take care. You have taken care of me so lovingly, very lovingly, and I have not cooperated with you, and she has not cooperated with her. I have been depressed and gloomy. I have been very much depressed, and she has been very much depressed and very sad. Means gloomy means sad. The lost leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. This lost leaf of this ivy creeper, it had shown me that how much wicked, how much cunning she has been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die, and she says that she has realized that if anybody wants to die, it is a sin. We should not lose hope. We should not give up. We should not lose hope. हमें उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. तो ये गुनाह है, मरने की तमन्ना करना. इट्स अ सिन. ये एक बहुत बड़ी गुनाह है. तो मेरे ख्याल से आज आपने देखा कि किस तरह बहरमान ने उसको ज़िंदगी की आस दिलाई कि आपको नहीं मरना है, यू हैव टू लिव, आपको ज़िंदा रहना है, आपको दोस्तों के लिए ज़िंदा रहना है, यू शुड नॉट गिव अप, आपको हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए. This is not actually the matter that the last leaf of this ivy creeper it will fall and automatically you will die there. No, this is not the matter. You have to live, you should not give up, you have to live for your friends. Tomorrow inshallah we will see what is happening in the next. Thank you.